So Samsung has announced the Galaxy Tab Active 5. The device is expected to be available in the United States in the first quarter of 2024 for about $550. So this device, according to Samsung, would receive 4 years of OS upgrades. And since the device would be launching with the Android 14, it means that it is guaranteed to receive Android 18. This makes the Galaxy Tab Active 5 better than other rugged tablets because rugged tablets from other brands usually doesn't receive consistent OS upgrades. Anyway, let's explore the top features and specs of the Galaxy Tab Active 5. So the device has an 8-inch 16:10 TFT 120Hz display with touch sensitivity support that can be customized or adjusted via settings. And this device also supports glove mode, and the touchscreen can be used in wet conditions. The display is protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. Other durability features include IP68, which means the device is water and dust resistant. The device is also military grade standard 810H certified, which means that the device has been tested in different environmental conditions and it survived. As mentioned earlier, the device shipped with the Android 14 and it's going to receive 4 OS upgrades, guys. The device is quite bulky, which is expected. It weighs 433 grams and it is 10.1mm thick. In the camera department, the device features a single 13MP rear camera and a 5MP front facing camera. The device is powered by the Exynos 1380 5nm octa-core processor paired with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 1TB via microSD. The battery capacity is 4900 mAh and it is removable, guys. This is another amazing feature of this device. It has a removable battery, which means you could basically use many batteries as you want with this device. Anyway, the device supports Pogo charging. So other features of the device includes 5G support, dual SIM including embedded SIM. The device features a USB 2.0 Type-C port, Pogo pin. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner with face unlock support. It also features Samsung Knox with Samsung Knox Vault. S Pen is also included in the box, which is nice. So these are the top features of the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5. As you can see, it's a very nice rugged tablet, and like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be available for about $550, so it's not very cheap, but at the same time the price is quite okay. And the most interesting feature of this device is its removable battery, and I also love the fact that Samsung has promised to give this device 4 years of consistent OS upgrades. Anyway, what do you guys think about this device? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.